So before we start hardening the server, I just want to show you fetching the root DSE vendor name attribute from the directory server that we have. Authenticated as directory manager, which here is O equals I, password is P, just for the sake of making the CLI short. And here fetching it anonymously, which works as well. We want to avoid all the anonymous access, as well as make all access to our directory server encrypted, so that none of the credentials can be compromised. So here we go. We're going to log into the console and go configure our server. We are going to do the first thing as stated in the blog, which is create connection criteria to be able to segregate the secure connections from the insecure connections. So here I'm going to click on this guy. We're going to add a new connection criteria. We're going to call it secure connection. It's going to be a simple connection criteria because we're not going to put a lot of things in there. So it's loading the profile for a simple connection criteria here. So this connection criteria, I'm just going to put a quick description here so we have it for later reference. Identifies secure connections where the communication is secure. Not anonymous, and authenticated, which is a oxymoron. So we can leave most of these parameters out. All this connection criteria will do is tell us that the communication is secure, that it's not anonymous, so we're going to remove the known authentication type, and we're also going to put the authentication security level to secure only. That's it. We're going to go all the way down at the bottom of the page, confirm then save. So click on that button. It will confirm that the parameters are okay. It will also show you the dsconfig equivalent, so this command line will achieve the same result. We can save it for later if we want, but we'll do it interactively rather than programmatically like here. Okay, so we have a secure connection here in our connection criteria list. Now we're going to go back to configuration, and we're going to add a client connection policy that we're going to call secure policy. Alright. Create that new policy, enable it, and make it the first thing evaluated when a connection comes in. Now in the next step, here we are simply going to assign the secure connection criteria to this policy. Confirm and save. It'll show us the equivalent dsconfig command here. We'll apply it to our configuration, and now we're going to go alter the default connection policy. Okay, and here in this connection policy, we're going to go all the way down to allowed operation here. We're going to remove all operations first, and we're going to add only bind and extended, so that an unencrypted connection can then be converted to a secure connection with the use of the StartTLS extended operation. In allowed extended operation, so we're saving that into the whitelist. We could go here, do confirm and save. Again, it will check the parameters and give us the equivalent CLI command. We're gonna apply that now. We're gonna take our command line again, and we're gonna try to search anonymously, and we get an insufficient access rights here for the anonymous access. We're going to try the authenticated in the clear access with directory manager rights. Again, we get insufficient access rights, and so to actually now be able to fetch the information, we are going to use the StartTLS extended operation, and voila, we can access our information if we are over an encrypted communication and authenticated. We're going to try anonymously here, and we get an insufficient access as well. So our server is now pretty safe. So safe actually that it may become impractical. We'll look into options in another video.